Welcome back. Today we will see one of the very important data mining algorithm, that is frequent pattern growth algorithm. So in short, we will call it as FP growth algorithm. So this algorithm is used to discover the frequent item set. That means it will be encode the data set using a compact data structure called FP tree. It will be extracting the frequent item set by using the FP tree. Now just we will see the flowchart how it will work. So once we are starting this flowchart, we are reading all the items. That means we are counting the frequency of the item, and the frequency will be, we will compare the frequency with the minimum support, and it will be greater than or equal to the minimum support. Then we will insert this item to the FP tree. And again, after this, again, we will continue with the same process, and we will check always till it is non-empty subset. We will check the frequency with the minimum support. And up to the non-empty set, we will continue, and finally, we will get a very strong association row. Okay, this is the flow chart. Now we will see the one problem. So here you can see the transaction IDs T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and some of the items was written. So this now like characters, it can be some items. Okay. Like a pen, pencil, something like items also can be there in these particular things. So in this, the question they are given as minimum support will be 3. So what we will do, first step, we have to find out the frequency table. So frequency table means in this all transaction ID, we have to take each item, and each item, how many times repeating we have to write. Okay, so first item is E. E how many times repeating? K how many times repeating? Like that we have to write. So we can write in any order. So always in an organizing manner we will write, means we will start with A. So A you can see how many times, only one time. So you written here 1. So next is B. B is not here in the items. So next is coming C. C is coming 2 times. So we are written as 2. And what is next to D? D is how many times? Only 1 time. Like that we are writing all this. And now note on the main important point. So here you can see O. O is how many times here? 1, 2, and 3, 4. And we have we will write sometime 4. It's not like that. In the same transaction ID, it is repeating that we can't count. So in the another IDs, we have to count it. So here 1, 2, 3 only we have to write. Okay, so it's clear, I think. So like that we are writing all this. This is called the frequency table. Once the frequency table is ready, next we are finding the frequency pattern set, that is called L. Okay, frequency pattern set L we are finding. So in this L, actually what we are checking is, we are checking the items which has equal to or greater than 3. Other items we are removing. Now we can see this item A, it is only 1. So we can't take this, right? So this also not in our list. This also we can take. This we can't. Then this one and this. Okay. Remaining item, that is we are taking only E, K, M, O, and Y. So only this item E, K, M, O, Y. This is called frequency pattern set L. So that is we written as L equal to all this item. When we are writing as a set, please remember we have to write the biggest number, biggest frequency number as to first. So K will be, K is the highest, right? Here you can see K is the highest 5. So write the first term K5, E4, M3, O, and Y. And here also see we all these three having same order. So we will exchange like that. We can write like that with no notes like that. So how the items we are writing from the table in that same order, you please try to write always. So we got L, K, E, M, O, Y. Okay, now I'll clear this. Okay. Now next, what in the first table? This is the first table. It is there, right, in the question table. From here now we are writing the ordered item set. In this ordered item set, what we are doing, the item which is not in the L, that we are removing. So now E is there. Okay, now K is there. Okay, now M is there, N. But N having previous in the frequency table, N having less than 3, right? So N it is not for us, right? So N now we can't take. Now O is there, Y is there. So this one only we are writing here. But when we are writing here, please make sure the highest value will be writing first. So here K he has to write first, then E, M, O, Y. In that order you have to write. Next here D we don't have. We have only E, K, N we don't have again, O, Y. So again while writing K has highest, K you write. Then you write E and then you write O, then you write Y. Okay, here. So that means ordered items that we are making the table by removing the item which is not satisfying our minimum confidence value. So ordered item set, I think it's clear. Okay, next next we are drawing the FP tree. So while drawing the FP tree, okay, I will see now. This one actually we again don't want to write here. Now we will see here. KEMOY. So we'll start with the null node, then K. We are write K first. We are making the path. So K1, E1. Next O1. We are drawing like a that is such a tree. Okay, M1, O, Y. So all one time we are like visiting, like we are drawn this first path. Next KEOY. Okay, so I think next diagram will see. Okay, yeah. Okay, next KEOY. Okay, so already in the first one, sorry, here, previous one, already K is equal to 1, E is equal to 1, we draw. Now, again, second one, we are taking T2. In T2, again, KEOY. So already previous it was K is equal to 1. So again, second time we are coming, right? So 1 will become 2. Okay, 1 will become 2. Again, E will become 2. And next to O. But previous we have a path like KEMOY, right? So without M, we have now directly O. So in this path we can't use. If you are using, again we want to visit the node M. We don't want to visit it node M, right? So we have to draw separately like K. Again K is equal to 2, E is equal to 2. Then from E directly we have to go for what O, correct, O1. So this O is 1, it's not 2. Why? Because we are not use the previous one, we are done a new path. That's why O is equal to O1 and Y1. Don't connect O to here directly. Why? We can't do like that. So O to Y. And when we are after this, we are not supposed to draw in. We always when we are drawing make a same line. So O is already in this line. So that here also we can make, but that is not, it won't be look good. So always all the O you draw in the same line. So this is okay, right? It's clear, right? KEOY we draw. Next we have KEM, correct. So now K will become 3, correct. K will become 3, E will become 3, then M. So here there is KEM we already have now. So this only we can use. See, K will become 3, E will become 3, M will become, previously it was 1, so now it is 2. So till this we draw, right? Next is KMY. Okay. So now K will become 4 and M, where is, we don't have M direct, right? Without E we can't touch M. So we have to draw separately like this. Okay, then here M will be 1. Why? Because without E we can't go this, right? So K will become 3 and M is 1. K, M. Next, from here we will go for Y. I think it is next slide I have. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, see here. K is equal to 4, M is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1. This one. Next, KEO. Okay. So K will become 4 become 5. K will become 5 and E will become 4 and this O will become 2. This O only previously we have no, second time this O we have no, that's why this O we can use. So this third will be K is equal to 5. Then K is equal to 5. Last one, E is equal to 4, O is equal to. This is your final tree. Okay. So finally, K value will be 5, E value will be 4, M is 2, and this second path M is equal to 1. This O1 on Y1 for the first path. Second part we have another path KMY, we have another path KEOY. Okay. So this is the graph. Okay. Now, next, for each item, the conditional pattern base is computed, which is path labels of all the path which lead to any node of the given item in the frequent pattern tree. It's easily. Now these items you written here. So when you are writing these items, till now we written first K, I think, right? We K having highest something like that we written, right? But when you are writing here, you write in the level order. Like what is the first one? Y. Y you write, then O, then M, then E and K. Okay, that level. That's why I told that before we are drawing, when we are drawing, all the M has to be tried to draw in the same line. Okay, so it will be very easy, very good to see. So when you are writing these items, always write like this order Y, O, M, E, K. Till now, we written always the highest. K will be our highest. So written K first, like that we written. So in this conditional pattern base, when you are drawing, please write like this. And the first one, it's okay if you are not if you are not writing in this way also you will get, but it is very easy to get it actually. So first item is Y. Okay, you see here Y. So you have to find out the path to reach Y. So you have a path here, K, E, M, O, right? So K, E, M, O. What is the value? 1. K, M, O, U, 1. What is the Y value of this? 1. That one we written here. Okay. Next we have another path to reach Y. What is that? K, E, O. What is the Y value here? 1. So this one, K, E, O, 1. Next, one more Y I can reach, which is the path K, M, Y. Okay, K, M, Y. So that is also K, M, Y we written. Don't write this 5 and on. What is the last value of the Y? That only we are writing here. Okay, not the K and middle value we are not taking. So next, O. O reaching, what is the path? Here, K, E, M. What is the O value? 1. So K, E, M. Next, for this O, we have the path K, E, O. So that is KE2. Next for reaching M, I have KE. That what is the M value? 2. So here I written KEM. KEM actually 2. Okay, here it is 2. Okay. KEM. Oh, not that. Not that actually. This one. It's written correctly. KE2 only. Okay. KE2. Here. Okay. Next is here, this one, which one, Km, this em, yeah, this em, what is the value? K is equal to 4. Okay, I'll repeat it. So first here, item set we are written. For reaching Y, we have the value KEMO, that is 1. Next for this Y, I have KEO, 1. Next I have KMY. Next for O, I have the path KEM. That's 1. Next for this O, I have KEO. Okay, KEO. 2. Okay, that is 2 only. Before I thought it was this one. It's correct. Next for M, I have KE. M is 2. This M is 2. Next for this M, I have directly K. M is equal to 1. Then next last for E, I have only K. K is equal to 4. For K is the second node, right? So I don't have any nodes here. Okay, this is called the conditional pattern base. Okay, done. Now, next, now we will find each item conditional frequent pattern tree. We already done. So it is done by taking the set of the elements which is common for all the path in the conditional pattern base. Now we will find out again we are, I don't know in the flow chart only, again we are checking the support counts. Now in this next we are finding conditional frequent pattern tree. This what we are doing in this. We are checking which is the repeated, which is again, we again checking the frequency. So now here KEMO. Again here KE. So this KE is repeating, here also repeating KE. Okay. And the third set only KM. KM only. So what is the item repeating in all these? I got it only. The item repeating is K. Okay. So K. How many times repeating? 1, 2, 3. So that's why K is K colon 3. Next here you see KEM, and here KE2, which is repeating. KE is repeating here also repeating KE, right? So what is the answer? 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Next, in this, what is repeating? KE2 and K1. So which item repeating? Only K is repeating. Only K is repeating. How many times? 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. In this, only 1 K, that is 4. Okay, so what we done in conditional frequency pattern tree is we are checking all the conditional pattern base, and in that which is frequently repeated, which is 2 times repeating, that I take, that we written here. Okay, done. Now, okay. Next, from the conditional frequency pattern tree, the frequent pattern rules are generated. And this one, now finally we are finding the frequency pattern. Conditional frequency pattern tree we got. Now we have to generate the frequency pattern. So previously we got like this, no? Now it's what we are generating the frequency pattern is K. This K is here, right? Okay, this K. K and Y. KY 3. Next, here we have KE. So KO. KO3. Then next, E, 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 O, EO3, then EK. Okay, EK. We have KE as well as EK. So EK again. EKO3. Okay. Next in the third one, KM. KM3. Next, last one, KE3. This is what we are doing now. Frequency pattern we are generating by using the item which is repeated, which having the confidence more than 3 we generated, and frequency pattern we are generated. Okay. So now like this we are generated the frequency pattern generated, and this was the rules by this FP growth by the algorithm. We accordingly first we find out the frequency table. From that we got it L. Then from the L we remove the items and we drawn the FP tree. From the FP tree we inserted the item, and from the items we got the path, and the path list we find out the conditional pattern base, and after the conditional pattern base and frequency pattern tree we received, and from the frequency conditional frequency pattern tree joined with our items we got the association, strong association rule. So we got all these are the rules. Okay, so this is the final answer. Hope everybody understood this FP growth. Thank you.